Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Happy Blackie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thanks for always tuning in. Guys, today's video I'll be doing my LCO method, and I'm going to do this video with a freshly washed hair, as you guys are seeing. So for my liquid, and guys, LCO stands for liquid, cream and oil. For my liquid, I'll be using my DIY leave-in conditioner. I hope you guys saw it in my last upload. So that's what I'll be using, and the next liquid is my water, guys. So I'll first of all use the liquid before the cream, then the oil, guys. And for my cream, I have my whipped shea butter and my dark coconut oil, guys. So this is so very much for hair moisture. If you want to moisturize your hair, it's always good to do the LCO or the lock method, guys. So this is my whipped shea butter, guys. And going on now to my oil, I'll be using for my oil, guys, is my olive oil. I have olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil, guys, and also I have a homemade coconut oil that I made for myself. So that's what I have, and I put it in another bottle. So guys, let's start this video. So I'll first of all section my hair into 3 sections, as you guys are seeing. I'm always closing my eyes each time I want to section my hair, guys. So I will first of all section my hair into 3 sections. After then, I'll start with the liquid, guys. So guys, I started off by applying water on my hair on one section, because I did this section by section. So after I finished applying the water, I went ahead with my DIY leave-in conditioner. You guys saw it in my last upload, but in case you didn't see it, I will leave a link and suggestions for you guys to go and check it out. It was so nice, guys, because I used natural products for this DIY leave-in conditioner. So guys, I went ahead and applied as much DIY leave-in conditioner. I call it DIY leave-in conditioner, guys. I went ahead and applied as much as my hair can take, and I massaged my hair very well before going in with the cream, guys. So I went in with the cream, and guys, this particular method is so nice for your hair because it helps in moisturizing your hair, and it also fights dandruff and itchy scalp. If you know you have itchy scalp, always make sure to do this method, let's say every week, so that your scalp will be moisturized. So after the cream application, I went ahead to mix my oil together. The cream oil that I used, I went ahead to mix them together in an applicator bottle. So after then, I went in with the oil. That was the last method because I've already done the liquid and the cream method. So I went in with the oil method, guys. So guys, when I finished, I went ahead to wrap my hair with a plastic bag, as you guys are seeing right now. So after I wrapped my hair with the bag, I now went ahead to cover it again with my shower cap because I had to sleep with it till the following morning. I wanted it to seal very well with my scalp. So guys, this is just the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.